Hey everybody, this is Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you today for another episode of What's in Your Garage. Today I happen to be at my buddy Mark's house up in North Phoenix, and we're going to be doing a episode on a 1978 Pontiac Trans Am Bandit car. This car is in immaculate condition. I can't wait to show it off to you. Stay tuned. All right, so let's see if Mark's home right now and we'll get us a chance to check out that Pontiac Trans Am Bandit car. Oh, there he is. Mark, how are you, man?
Eric, how you doing?
Good, bud. Good. It's great seeing you.
Great to see you.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate the opportunity to be here and shoot this gorgeous car here, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, now what year is this again?
1978.
1978 Pontiac Trans Am, and you call it the Bandit car.
I call it the Bandit car, even though it doesn't have T-tops.
Right.
Yes.
It's still the Bandit car
Bandit
after
car.
the movie, Smokey the Bandit.
Yep.
Right. That's very cool. This thing is gorgeous. Why don't we go ahead and pull it out, and we'll get some video action of it, and get some cool pictures. And you know, of course, people love to hear what it sounds like when you just start it. So we get to do that. Man, look at the shine in this car here. This is gorgeous condition. Sounds like it's got a little cam action going on. All right, brother, come out of the way. Look at him, look at the smile. Hey, yeah, man. Right on. Tell us a little bit about this car and how you came to get it and whatnot.
Well, I've always wanted one since I've been in high school.
Okay.
And
well, let's take a look here.
and I wanted a 77 or 78 black automatic. Looked for it for a long time, and then I finally found one local in town here. And I called the guy up, and I went and bought it that day, and it was changed my life.
Yeah. How long was that?
About 5.5 years ago.
5.5 years ago?
Yep,
now,
and
you said it wasn't in the condition that it's in now, that you did a little bit to it?
Yes, I had it repainted, a little bit of body work.
Just paint too. You can see yourself in there.
Yep, and it's a guy named Tim Blattner painted it. They call him Mr. Trans Am here in Phoenix.
Really?
I became friends with him through the Trans Am Club, and he's done a lot of Trans Ams, and he agreed to do mine for me. And
that's very cool.
it was you know, I didn't plan on buying it and showing it and making it. I just wanted it, but once I got it and I got that, I want to show it.
You and I met at the Good Guys event.
Yes.
And I got to show this off for you here. This cat's Good Guys winner here, man.
Yep, I won Good Guys All-American Sunday about
All-American
3 years
Sunday,
ago, right
yep.
after it got painted and finished. And
I've seen it out there a few times.
Yep,
And
it's by far my biggest award I've ever won.
yeah, it's a nice award too, isn't it?
Yep, I've won about 5 car shows. And a couple small, like little church ones and stuff. And
So do you want to, did you do anything with the interior? Is interior stock? or
interior
what?
stock.
Okay.
Interior's all done. Has the original 8-track player in there.
He said 8-track player. This is the second car in probably 2 years of doing videos that I've seen an 8-track player, and how cool is that?
Yep.
Wow, there it is right there.
Yep.
Look at that dash.
Yep. And it's all original interior, and
You said it's all original interior?
all original interior.
Really?
Yep. Wow. The car sat for 10 years. So the guy that I bought it from the guy that it sat 10 years, and he was gonna fix it up, and then stuff happened, and he just ended up selling it.
I understand.
It's basically the original numbers matching 403. It does have a Holley 4-barrel, a Holley manifold, Holley headers, and a Flowmaster exhaust. But besides that, it's all stock. Wow. And it's...
Now you said this is the Oldsmobile engine that's in here right now.
Yes, this is the Oldsmobile
And you said
403.
it's all numbers matching, which is important from a collector standpoint.
Yes, which came in the California cars with automatic transmissions.
Okay, very cool.
And power windows.
Look at this. the shine in this thing, the engine, 6.6 liter, you know, scoop there. Wow. Earlier you said we could take this thing for a ride.
Absolutely.
All right. I like it when he says absolutely, because we're going to go in a classic car here, man. This is neat. 1978 Pontiac Trans Am Bandit car. Stay tuned for more. Hey, man. What's up, dude? Yeah. We're going to rock this thing out here. We're going to have way too much fun in this Trans Am, man. The Bandit car right now, up close and personal. All right, so this is a really cool opportunity I have. Mark, my buddy here, has said I get to drive it. So I'm gonna drive it like you stole it, bitches. So stay tuned, man. This thing is so cool. 1978 Pontiac Trans Am, radial tuned suspension. You remember this dashboard from years gone by? That's the real deal, and this is the real deal. Stay tuned for more. All right, driving this crazy thing. Little does he know, the reason why I have the tagline "Drive it like you stole it" is because I do.
I'm not gonna get back.
Nice. All right. So, Mark, I really appreciate you letting me drive this classic old car here, man. 1978 Pontiac Trans Am. In closing, is there anything else you want to tell the viewers about this bad ride here?
I'm usually out at the pavilions on Saturday nights, and you guys should all subscribe to Eric's Garage AZ. He's an awesome guy. Definitely subscribe. Watch my video. Watch all the other videos. He's the coolest guy in Phoenix when it comes to filming stuff like this.
Dude, did you hear that? I didn't even have to pay him to say that. Mark, thanks, dude. Hey guys, thanks for watching the last video. I hand selected a couple videos for you to watch right now. Click here.